Hi guys, this is Mittal and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be really special, and this video is something that is going to be very close to my heart. Um, it's gonna be a very special video for my entire life, and I am so glad that I have a platform where I can document something like this and I can have it for the rest of my life and beyond that, for people to see and for my close ones to cherish and for me to cherish, and have it in a special place and give it the love and the attention it deserves. You guys know, if you have been a part of my channel for a long time, but if you're someone who is new here, I have a best friend. Her name is Khushi, and she is a physiotherapist just like I am. We met in the 11th grade during our classes, and since then we have been together on the same ride in the same path. And she is she's such a different person, and you know we, like me, hate Kushi, like all three of us, the way we bond is over food, going out and trying new places. And that's how my and Kushi's friendship started. And it like, I think at this point in my life, she is like that sibling, or that cousin I've never had in my life. Kushi, if you're watching this, all of this I've never said, but yeah, I think she is that cousin in my life I've never had. Over the last, I think, 2 years or so, I have been going to her place, or she's been coming over to my place, and our moms are like, it's like they have a second daughter. And I just feel so glad and grateful to have someone like her in my life. That bond, I cannot describe that bond, or nor it's like this is what she does or this is what we do. It's just like her being in my life just makes it so much better. And she's gonna leave for her masters this year. I don't know why I'm crying right now. I think I'm gonna be crying this whole video if you guys watch ahead. But um she is going to be going for her masters this year to US. um Fingers crossed she gets in her choice of university. But this is going to be her very last birthday with me that we could celebrate. Birthdays was something that I looked up to, and I think if you guys have seen for the last, I think, 3-4 years, my birthday is always with my close ones, and Hate and Kushi are an integral part of it. And if she's gonna leave, I think it's all gonna be really heartbreaking. But I do want to do something really special for her, and I want to make her birthday really memorable for her. Her birthday is on 4th of March, and I always forget the date, so I keep on asking her, or I have her message start, because I don't know for what reason hers is the only birthday that I do not remember the date. I think I get confused between 3rd, 4th, and 7th and 9th for some reason. I don't know why. But I want to make it really special, and I had it thought in my mind that this year, no matter what, I am doing something for her. So here I am making this video, and we are gonna sit and plan her entire video, and I'm gonna tell you guys what exactly is gonna happen. I have my Maggie with me right here. मैंने खा लिया, but अभी थोड़ा सा बचा है ना, तो मुझे मन नहीं हो रहा है. But basically what is gonna happen is I am planning a surprise for her. It's gonna be something really small and intimate, because I think that's the kind of people we are, and that is something which is gonna be so much more loved and appreciated than me, like doing something, like, oh, I have a grand party, or like something which is more monetary involved. This is more our style, and this is something that I've never done for her, and I'm pretty sure she has no idea, or she will never be expecting me to doing it. So now this is her 24th birthday, so I've got her 24 gifts. Now actually अब count करने जाओगे तो थोड़ा इधर उधर ज़्यादा होने ही वाला, if you like nitpick and count. But I have gotten 24 gifts for her 24th birthday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decorate her house. She's just recently renovated, so she has like this headboard thing, so I'm gonna put those happy birthday balloons. And then I have 24 gifts for her, so that's what I'm gonna spread on her bed. and we're gonna keep a cake. So it's just gonna be me, her mom, dad, and I think her dadi if she is at home, whatever the situation is. Today is a Saturday, so my plan was to go tomorrow, which is a Sunday. So the only way that I could do it is when she's not home, and abhi mera evening shift chal raha hai and she also works in the evening, so both of us return at 8 o'clock, so there was no chance. So the only way was I could do it on Wednesdays when I have lecture, or on Sunday morning, she goes to a hospital to work, so that's when I could do it. But I think also because her brother is coming and they also have really really less time together, so her mom was like, we want to spend time together as a family. So I think it was much better to do that, so that tomorrow I am also going out with my family any which ways. So kal to nahi hai, so what I'm gonna do is Wednesday my lectures get over at around I think 5:45, 6 o'clock, no 4:45, 5 o'clock. So after that I just need to pick up the cake भी अगर आप लोग देखोगे, I hope it's really really good. I found it to Instagram, मैं आगे आपको सब बताऊंगी. तो केक पिकअप करना है एंड देन बस वो पिकअप करके हम जाएंगे खुशी के घर पे. आई एम गोना डेकोरेट एवरीथिंग, कीप ऑल ऑफ दिस रेडी, एंड देन वंस सो आई एम गोना रीच बाय लाइक आई वुड से 6:30 अराउंड मैक्स टू मैक्स, एंड देन सब डेकोरेट वगैरह करूँगी, 7:30 तक सब सेटअप करूँगी. एंड वो आएगी तब आई एम जस्ट गोना बी इन अ रूम, आई एम गोना कीप यू गाइज ओवर देयर, यू ऑल आर गोना सी द recording and everything. And then when she comes in, it's just going to be a surprise. It's kind of going to be an intimate house celebration, but I think we really really love that and appreciate that, and I am super super excited. I'm really looking forward to it. Right now I'm sitting right here because I'll just give you guys an overview of her gifts and I'm gonna pack it right now. मैं सारे gifts नहीं बताऊंगी, the only reason है वो खोलेगी तो आपको पता चलेगा मैंने क्या क्या दिया हुआ है. But yeah, let's get started and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna keep packing it. So basically these are her gifts. इसमें बहुत कुछ scattered यहाँ वहाँ है, and actually एक और gift है जो मैंने order किया वो अब तक आया नहीं है, तो let's see. And then this is the wrapping paper. This I got from Mr. DIY. It's like this marble print wrapping paper. So I think this one should be enough. So I'm gonna quickly wrap all of these things and then I will see you guys on Wednesday. Guys, it's the day of surprise and I have messed up big time. Like, can you see this on my lips? Oh my god, I have burnt myself waxing my face. I don't know why I chose to do that. But anyways, I'm leaving for college. I have lectures and then I'm gonna go. So I will see you guys because I need to pick up the cake and then I will go to her house. So I will see you guys then. Let's see cake का क्या हाल है. I think it looks good. Looks very pretty. I like it. Okay, cake is secure and it looks really beautiful. I'm at our home. I could not vlog in between because it was just too much hassle. I had so much stuff with me. But look at the view. Like, I'm gonna miss having this view so much once she goes. Like, look at that golden hour glow. So freaking beautiful. Right now it is 6:30 and she's gonna be back in 8:30, which is like literally 2 hours from now. So I'm just gonna eat something, I'm gonna chill and then आराम से decorate वगैरह करेंगे क्योंकि इतना कुछ करने के लिए है भी नहीं. So I'll see you guys when I start setting everything up. Let's look at this queen. Woman has 3 lipsticks in the same shade that I bought her. So this is her favorite shade and I was like, let me give it to her, and this woman has 3 of them. I'm taking it back from her, you guys. She is a hoarder. Woman is a hoarder. And also let's try and fix this up. I have some concealer, so let's try to like make this look better. Might be a little wonky, but I'm just gonna use my concealer. I have the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This is my like absolute full coverage concealer. I'm thinking if I should take her makeup, but the only thing is I don't know where her makeup is. Packed powder dude. Oh lord, a twist right here. She has the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna sit down and try to do my makeup. Yeah, so now that we have a compact powder, I think it should all be good. I'm not gonna take a lot of product. I'm just gonna take this much, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pat it in. Yeah, I hope this works. Guys, this is it. I tried to fix it as much, but काफ़ी कुछ दिख रहा है, बट आई थिंक मच बेटर देन बिफोर. एटलीस्ट वो रेडनेस नहीं है, सो अटेंशन ज़्यादा नहीं जा रहा है. एंड पुट ऑन सम ब्लश and I think that should be it. I'm moving her two brushes over here and I'm gonna put my blue blender inside, and I think I'm all ready, and let's get started with decorating. I think I've kept you guys at a perfect place. You guys can see what exactly I'm gonna do. I'll show you guys right now. सो गिफ्ट्स तो आप लोगों ने देखे थे दैट डे, सो वो सारे ये वाले बैग में हैं. देन आई हैव गॉट दीज हैप्पी बर्थडे बलून्स. उनको इन्वर्टर देखिएगा, मैंने फ्रंट कैमरा ऑन रखा है इसके लिए, बट बेसिकली हैप्पी बर्थडे बलून्स है. तो मैं इसको ब्लो आउट करती हूँ एक एक करके, एंड देन व्हेन आई अप्लाई इट यू गाइज विल सी. सो माई मेन आइडिया इज यहाँ पे लगा दूँ. इट्स लाइक एन एंटायर हेडबोर्ड थिंग, एंड देन नीचे ऑन द बेड आई एम गोना कीप ऑल द गिफ्ट्स राइट हियर इफ यू गाइज कैन सी. ऐसे ही रखती हूँ तो आप लोग देख पाओ. या आई थिंक दिस अ बेटर व्यू. सो यहाँ पे बेड पे आई विल कीप ऑल द गिफ्ट्स, एंड केक का यहाँ पे होगा, एंड देन आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टैंड राइट हियर सो दैट व्हेन शी कम्स थ्रू दिस door right here, we're gonna be like surprise, and yeah, that is what is gonna happen. So I'm quickly gonna start this thing, blowing up these balloons quickly. थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन नॉइज आएगा शायद, सो मे बी मैं फुला लूँ उसके बाद, या जो भी होगा लेट्स सी. काफ़ी बड़े बड़े बलून्स हैं, लाइक रियली ह्यूज बलून्स. सो लेट्स गेट टू ब्लोइंग देम. Perfect, all done literally in 2 seconds. These are the best like invention ever. Guys, it's all done and it looks so freaking beautiful. I am so happy. वो थोड़ा वाई का adjustment है, but I think other than that everything looks absolutely stunning. And now we wait for her. Guys, she's here already. She is talking outside. This girl, my birthday is gonna fall apart. Surprise! Oh my God. I was like, why is she wasting her time? It's all hanging by a thread. Thank you. Everything hanging by thread. I don't know why I put all this ulta pulta. Happy itna mast hua na, and this birthday messed up everything. Kar.
24. God, please make it better.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Guys, the cake is really good. Like they made it exactly how I told them to. I'm gonna leave their Instagram and details down in the description in case you guys want to check it out. But happy birthday to my bestie.
24. Thank you.
This is my last birthday with you. And I wanted to go all out.
Next year you have to.
Next time you have to come here and surprise me. Guys, comment down. Tell her to come and surprise me for my birthday. It's really good. Even the frosting cream is not that whipped wala where it like hurts your throat. It's really soft. That white wala thing. It's really good. Let us enjoy the cake and then we'll open the gifts, because that's the even more interesting part, even you guys have not seen what the gifts are. Okay guys, let's just start opening the gifts. So I have given you 24 gifts for your 24th birthday. I think
This is 24.
yeah, I think अरे ये नहीं है भाई, इसके अंदर है, but I think it's more than 24. I have not counted and one gift is still not arrived.
Don't make me feel old.
Take,
Already
wear
scared.
this first. Wear. It's cute. No, don't wear it directly. हाँ. थोड़ा आगे. It's not going to wear. Remove and put. हाँ. Cute. Pretty girl. My pretty girl.
I'm doing it.
No, wear it. Don't be mean.
I'm not being mean.
Yeah, you can start anywhere. There's no order.
Pinky, ponky.
Don't waste time. Just pick any.
Start with the smallest.
Okay. One gift I'm really angry at her when I realized, you guys know already what I'm talking about.
It's a perfume.
Yeah.
Should have gotten me my signature only.
No. This one smells really good. I think I'm gonna buy it for myself also.
Of course.
Everything I like, I buy for her, but I also buy for myself, and you guys will see that. You already know actually.
It's good.
Yeah. It's very different, like a sweet, but like something very like night wala vibe.
Yeah.
I really like
Something
it.
else,
I'm gonna buy
like
for
fresh.
myself. Yeah.
And to gift one, number one.
So
No,
it's
sorry, gift
I-
number two.
Yeah, I will link all the products that you guys can buy down in the description.
Now you give me one.
Pick any. This one. Very obvious one. This is. I think most of the gifts are also like her cult classic
God.
products.
I have like 6 unopened boxes.
This one give to your brother. He steals your sunscreen, no?
For him
Him.
only I ordered.
Yeah. What have you ordered from Nykaa? There are 3 boxes inside. What have you
Why are
ordered?
you snooping?
No, because I wanted a towel and I couldn't find it. So this is the Shono. Dr. Shades Ceramide and Vitamin C.
But I think I'm moving to her.
Yeah, I think both of us have been
We
past.
started with this, but
Yeah,
now we
but
have
this was like
different
a cult classic sunscreen, which you can never go wrong with it.
Now
Now you guess. You're not able to guess what it
What
is. See,
is-
my packaging is so nice. I put marble print wrapping paper
very
for her.
aesthetic. But nowhere she has written anything.
I had no time to customize all of this. You have no idea how much I was
Where
like,
is the note?
going through. What?
There's a letter or the note.
There's
You
no
always
letter.
give one.
On your birthday, I'll give. No, today is not your birthday.
Should I guess?
You'll not be able to guess.
Okay, airports. Come on. That's why you are asking
You are so
me.
easy to trick. You wouldn't have even guessed I'm asking it for you.
I knew that.
No.
I knew it.
I told
I
her
said
I'm
I'm
planning
being
to buy.
a good
See, it's
person.
matching her outfit. I really like this color. He gave me a few options.
You know, I was
but
gonna
like
go
this
to
one.
iDoc and get it.
No, I didn't get it from my dog.
But I was gonna
But
go.
I really like this color, so I was like, let me get it. It's a very beautiful purple color. It's like that brinjal color. Brinjal purple, bangani. I hope my camera doesn't stop recording. Let me put it down to 180p. Wait. मैंने क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? Even I don't remember किसमें क्या है. ये देखो single gifts मिले पर बहुत सारे gifts भी packed है. I think this is the one that has a lot of gifts in it. Yeah.
Chocolates.
No.
A bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Cliff.
First one is her.
No, wait, I lost the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gift number 5.
5.
Gift number 6. 6.
No, 7. That way I've counted individually.
So liar. Where was I?
7.
7, 8.
No, only
No.
7. 6, 7.
6.
Yeah. 7, no.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Gift number 8. I already know.
This I showed it to her that I got. She was like, you didn't get anything for me, you didn't get it. I was like, fine, see what I got.
Gift number 9. Necklace.
No.
It's a bracelet. It's an anklet.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
This is what she asked for. So I was like, I actually struggled to find it, but then this was the only one that I actually liked because I wanted to actually give you something in like a little bit more expensive side, but I was not able to find any good designs.
She's
So-
Ambani. pretty. You know, you have given me that star wala necklace.
I don't remember. I must
It
have.
was the it's a combo. Pretty. But will this fit?
Yeah, it will fit. I have put it in the last one. No, wear it. Wear. Your ankle is very thin. What are you expecting? Fitting, no?
Necklace.
Then this one is a necklace. I got the same one for myself in pink color.
Of course, she has to copy.
Yeah, we all know.
And
that.
then we'll match. That's beautiful.
I like the color. I like this and I have
Like
pink.
the
So I
stone
was
one.
like, which one should I give you? Then I gave you the green one. Very pretty.
Can you see? I'm learning from you.
This one you try to keep it inside. The anklet maybe.
I always keep everything inside, like you. You just keep everything outside. Now,
You
where
need
were
to
we?
quickly open, huh? I don't have memory. This is one of my favorite products that I wanted her to try.
Where are we coming?
Yeah.
Serum.
This is one of my favorites and I
I have
really,
a lot
really
of
like
serums
it.
now.
Yeah, but this is something that you really need to try.
I'll try. I'll use the hair mask now.
Yeah, hair mask is nice. The serum is also nice. I have a review, so I'll link it up here in case you guys have not
Go
watched
to
it.
gift number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, this also has a bunch
11.
of gifts now.
Now this is 12.
It's not 11. Are you sure it's 11?
11
You're
done.
wearing anklet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, now 12.
Yeah, so this is 12, I told. He's bad at me.
Oh my god.
13, 14, 15, 16. Cute color.
I think this is perfect you get because like
All.
nail paints you don't use all. So
Exactly.
you minis are the best thing you can give and this is like so like affordable.
Oh my god. I was
I am
gonna
stealing
reorder
this. Guys, you have stash of this lipstick. I saw 5. You have 5
That
of
is
these.
trash. That
No,
I'm throwing
2
it
are
away.
there and then 3 others are also there.
Yeah, that is
somewhere.
all trash. All empties.
All empties. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
I have to reorder it anyway.
I am using this now.
No, okay. My favorite lipstick.
This is her
All-time
cult
favorite.
classic.
It's
This
my
is what she.
signature.
So I got you something else to go with it also.
Oh.
It's a very similar color, but if I like it more, then I am taking it home.
That's not gonna
This
You
is
can
a
buy
very
it.
similar tone to this, like a coral
But that's
blue
a
kind of.
lip mousse.
Yeah, it's very like the texture is really good.
12,
Yeah,
12, 13, 14, 15, 17.
I think it's 18. You did 16 over there, so
We'll
we'll
figure it
count
out.
at the last. This she's thinking it's a mug, but it's not a mug. You'll
It's
not
a
get it.
candle.
It's not a candle.
Oh my god. It's a shampoo and body wash. Bro,
It's not a shampoo and body wash.
shower gel.
It's a shower gel. And this is a pen stand. Now this I got very randomly because I was like, this exactly matches her room ka aesthetics and decor. And this
You
smells.
know how many body wash I've just ordered today? I've
Cancel
like
it.
ordered
This
4
one
of them.
smells really good. I got it for myself also.
Of course, guys.
Half the things you guys know I got it for myself.
Bro, I like ordered 4, 5 stuff and my brother's gonna bring 2, 3
Then
stuff.
cancel your order for real.
No. I'll keep it and then I'll use it. Okay, this gift. I knew it was a candle. Mini soba.
It smells really nice. Really good. What happened? I feel like it. I have smelled
It's
it
not
already.
like-
melted, yeah?
Yeah.
I think I kept it out no today for the whole time. Train and all ka dhakka, the candle has gone through. You guys have no idea.
The last gift.
Yeah.
Should I guess?
Actually, it's not the last gift. One gift is pending. You guys will know what it is. Let me just check if it's even recording here.
Oh, it's of course the same t-shirt. Of course, the same thing she's
We
wearing.
got matchy. It's pretty, no? But
It's
look.
very pretty.
And you can open the jacket and it looks absolutely beautiful.
Yes. I have a similar one. I will show you.
Yeah, it looks very
And
beautiful. I saw this and I was like, this is so your style. If you would have watched my vlog, then you would have noticed it.
This is my style.
Yeah, this is also her style. I saw this and I was like,
Cute.
she all she
I'm
wants
gonna
is
wear this on my
shortest clothes you can find, give it to her.
Don't slut shame me.
No slut shaming.
This is very pretty. I'm gonna get a printed pants.
Yeah,
Or
you
like
can
a
wear
white.
it with white.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But like proper nice pants.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Very pretty. I really like this.
I'm gonna wear this.
I wanted
When I'm
it.
10.
And
So
one gift
much.
is left, which is I had ordered Tiggle ka hot chocolate for us
Oh,
to try.
yes.
I ordered it on 18th, and today is what 28th,
Eight.
and they have
Yeah.
still not dispatched it. So really bad, like horrible service I've had from them. But
it's
yeah,
fine,
including
this
all
all.
of this, these are all her gifts. I will
Love
try
it.
to make everything down in the comments.
I don't know.
Dinner is here. We got it from Queen Margarita's. Wanted to try since a really long time. Oh, that's so good. Must, dude. Too good. Very pretty. And then we got garlic knots. So this margarita, this is some screamer weemer and garlic knots. Very pretty. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I think this is one of my favorite birthday vlogs that I have put up for Khushi. Leave your wishes and good luck for her down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.